right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the cars. This has been
to another episode, and with this one we're finally starting the refresh on this car. Had this car in storage for a little bit, so that's where it sleeps now, and away from the elements and stuff, which is nice break. But today it's not about that. Today it's about starting this awesome project. I'm gonna start refinishing or overhauling this car, even though it's perfect as it is, but I want to change things up. It's been a year or so since this car been with this setup, so we're finally starting slowly, which it's awesome and finally very exciting to start. And I'm showing you the tint because this tint actually came with the car when I bought it, and it was purplish. It's not the greatest quality. It's hard to tell, but at night you can tell that it's purple. Never done this before, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I bought this steamer, and that's how you're able to like remove old tint. It's pretty cool. You kind of fill up the little thing there with water and connect it, and it should produce some hot steam in order to remove or soften up the glue on the tint that is behind here. Removing at least the front ones just to save a little bit of money in removal, because you do have to pay to remove tint and also to install it, of course. So I'm just gonna help them out, kind of cut the time a little bit, kind of make some use of the time that I have right now. So I'm gonna start removing it and start from there. So guys, this is working pretty awesome. I never knew that you can use something like this in order to remove tint, and it's working out great. It doesn't have any residue left over. I don't have to use the blade. I thought I was gonna use it. I used it a little bit just to start up, you know, like to pick on the tint, but it wasn't that bad. I was able to remove some of it. So I'm just gonna continue doing this. I have an hour to do it, so I'm at least going to try to remove the front windows just to save a little bit of money. I think it's about $40 each. Kind of crazy, so I'm doing it myself. This was about $30. So if you're looking to remove tint, this is the most efficient way to do it. Conair was 30 bucks at Walmart, working excellent. So yeah, definitely recommended to do it. I'm gonna continue doing this, so wish me luck. So what do you guys think? Look at that. The window is nice and clean and clear from the tint. I love it. I've never done this before. It's pretty cool. I was always intrigued of how like you remove tint. I'm glad I'm tackling that myself so I can learn. So I'm gonna tackle the rear glass, which is the hardest apparently because of these the heating lines over here. the defrosters and stuff. So I'm gonna take my time with it. I'm gonna tackle this one because it's the most expensive one. I think it's like $60 to remove, something like that, 40 to 60. They charge a lot because it does take a lot of time, but with this device it's taking like literally 10 minutes. At least it took me 10 minutes to do that, the first window. So I'm gonna continue on with this one and see how it goes. So it's coming out good. As you can see, it is purple tint. I mean, at least with age turned purple, but it's coming out nice. The although the defrost lines are safe and very minimal residue. The only thing is that the tint's splitting, as you can tell. Like the first layer is coming off, but the glue is staying behind. So that actually peels off as well. So it's like dual layer, which is fine. That's easy, bro. Just like that, guys, we have removed the tint. I'm so happy. Actually, you kind of feel the note tint. It's pretty awesome, and you can see right through, which is pretty cool. I haven't had the look on this car yet, so, but I do love tints no matter what. But I will get about 30% on this car. Look how purplish that tint looks. Kind of crazy. And this little device saved me over $100. Pretty awesome, because this is about 30, and I get to keep it now from now on. You know, I can use it on other things. So it worked out good. You can see right through, and it left pretty much no residue, which was a great savior. But guys, there you have it. That's how you remove tint, and it was very easy. So I recommend it for you to do it and save some money that way. And stay tuned for more videos. There's gonna be a lot happening on this car, which is super exciting, and I cannot wait. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, peace.
What it do, what it does, where you been, where you was, but it ain't what it is. Face in the mud, I really be hating in the mud. Said I can't pick it up, but I did. Y'all know Goon put too much bass in the sub. Cup full of blood and I gave it a chug. Wait till your neighbors get all snug, then play this real loud where you live. This, that, for the kids, saw something strange, can't say what it is. Court case came, ain't say what he did. Make shit move, put a chain on the gear. Yeah, I've been on top of the tower, got the power, weatherman. Gun cock in his pocket shower. Put you down with the squid, says rocket power. I done hang with the guys and we talk for hours, yo. I feel like a doctor on late shift. I done ran out of my patience. I done no trip out in Vegas. I say I don't have to pay shit. Don't try to say we related. I come to the reunion looking like Jason. It's that black entertainment. I should have been on the base. Get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Who that trying to say that they put in more work than me? Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Speeding head hanging out the car, driving down the street with no regard. Where I'm going, I do not recall. My teachers always said that I'm bizarre. Like a ring, I keep my circle small. We back and forth, I'm Raphael Nadal. I ain't really worried, not at all. You either eat your words or you evolve. Comfort is the enemy. Catch me hanging where the winners be. I don't even use up all my energy. I push shit through like human centipede. Anyone can be a bitch to me. It don't really matter what your gender be. If you ain't really sentimentally, can already tell you what it's finna be. Flatline, mad grind, still ain't prepared, but you had time, had shine, y'all slow, so I had to spit it halftime. How you gonna be the man when he at prime? You don't know where you at, it's a bad sign. Me and you, we met in a past life, and the same thing happened to you last time. Y'all know I was born for the fast life. Now they out here looking for the crash side. I get on the mic and chastise, got the whole crowd wet, they baptized. But give me for my past crimes. It's the last night, it's the last rhyme. So before you spend that last time, let me tell you one last time. Bitch, 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 bitch. Get out here and work. Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Bitch, get out here and work like they kidnapped your family. Who that trying kidnapped your family. Bitch, you ain't gon' get me, I put that on my family tree. You gon' see who really got that life, and that's a guarantee. I can still hear my mama's